Well, hello there. It's Wendee here, and I'm glad to see you in my Small Wedding Workshop online course. I've been a wedding planner in Colorado for over 20 years, and the last 10 of those years have been exclusively planning elopements for just the couple on up to small, intimate weddings with a maximum of 40 people. I created this course in order to share my practices, procedures, systems, and templates to couples from all over who may not be able to travel to Colorado or who simply want to DIY their own wedding planning, but would like the guidance and resources from a professional along the way to save you time, provide ideas, make it easy for you, and to keep you from making costly mistakes. Let's be real though, this course is not for everyone planning a wedding. This course is special to those whose vision it is to have an elopement with just the two of you on up to an intimate wedding of 45 people or fewer. Planning a small wedding is different from planning a big bash with over 100 people. There are special approaches in how we find sites and plan a celebration dinner. And I'm here to guide you so that you can find peace and pleasure through every step of the planning process. If you are planning a wedding of over 45 people, you can certainly still take the course. However, please note that there are many elements of a larger wedding that we don't cover, such as booking bands, banquet hall rentals, and taking catering RSVPs, because many of those elements are not needed when planning a small wedding. We focus on making small weddings easy, meaningful with less stress, and with that comes less of all the other multitudes of details when planning a larger wedding. This course is for those who don't know where to begin with planning a small wedding, or for those who are overwhelmed with all the options. You may be choosing to do a small wedding because you don't like to be the center of attention, or you simply don't have the finances to spend throwing a big bash with 200 people who you'll not even be able to talk to. Well, with this course, you can go from feeling stressed to calm to excited for planning your wedding with my simplified process. Feel confident that you are on track with your plans and eliminate the fuss and drama by focusing on having a memorable and meaningful wedding day. In this course, you'll learn everything you need to know about planning an intimate wedding or elopement. You'll identify your priorities, dive into budgets, explore possible off the beaten path ceremony sites, set up your agenda and logistics, plan for your cake, florals, ceremony, and other details. Learn how to prepare for your wedding day and much more. I've also enabled comments in Teachable so that you can either gain insight from other students or provide your recommendations to others, as we have couples from planning from all over. By the end of this course, our goal is for you to have your wedding all planned smoothly, efficiently, and without the stress or overwhelm. This course is packed with everything you need to create a small wedding, and I know you can do it. Planning a wedding, no matter how tiny, can be stressful and overwhelming. I'll be giving you actionable step-by-step processes in manageable bite-sized bits. You'll be able to plan your wedding in very little time. You can go through the lessons quickly because they are broken down into little chunks of homework. You'll be able to apply the tips, resources, and action items without feeling overwhelmed. Over the past 10 years, I've actually used these processes and systems to create elopement-styled weddings for my clients in Colorado in as little as 5 days. Not that I recommend it, but yes, it does work. And though you do have access to the course for a year, take your time. You can go in order or jump around to whatever lesson you need, as once enrolled, you have access to all of them. Though we'd love to see you married, or at least all planned, within the year. If you need more time, just let me know. If you need to take a break from your wedding planning to attend to life, that's totally okay too. Just please hop back on when you're ready for the next wave of wedding planning. It is very valuable to start with the first lesson that I've made free to you, as that's where we identify your priorities and needs. We use those priorities and needs as a blueprint for the rest of your plans and decision making. Please use the private community built within Teachable to comment on what you have learned, to provide other ideas for others, to share your local wedding resources. This is a great way to stay accountable and get personalized help and meet others going through the process. I'll be there too to answer your questions and give support so that you may keep progressing. If you are ready to experience calm rather than overwhelm, excitement rather than stress, and confidence rather than uncertainty, then please join us in the Small Wedding Workshop. With that, welcome aboard. Let's get started. I'm glad to have you with us, and I'll see you in the following videos.